Special Bid and Awards Committee ng Commission on Election nagsagawa ng opening bids ngayong araw para sa nalalapit na barangay at SK election sa November 2, 2026. Hello, isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat mga kapobre. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cap John Official. Panibagong araw, panibagong biyaya, panibagong pag-asa, panibagong lakas. Of course, panibagong vlog. Araw ng Biyernes at petsa 3 sa buwan ng Hulyo mga kapobre. So for today's vlog, update sa barangay at SK election. Dahil mayroon po tayong breaking news ngayon. So wag na nating patagalin mga kapobre. Kanina lang po ay nagsagawa ng opening bids ang Comelec sa pamamagitan ng kanilang Special Bid and Awards Committee. Ito po ay patungkol sa nalalapit na barangay at SK election sa November 2, 2026. So mga kapobre, ito po ay patunay na tuloy na po ang barangay at SK election dahil nagsagawa na po ang Comelec ng opening bids. Nagbibidding na po sila. Ito po ay sinagawa sa head office sa Intramuros, Manila, Comelec main office mga kapobre. So ito po ang naganap na special Bid and Awards Committee para sa BSKE 2026. Panoorin natin to mga kapobre.
Katuwang mo sa pagbabago, kay isa ng bawat Pilipino, malinis at respetado, matapat at makatao.
Thank you, Secretariat, for the preliminaries. Kindly proceed the opening of the financial envelope of the other bidders. Secretary, before we proceed, may I ask if there is a notice dun sa other bidder? Yes, sir. Okay.
The reading of the conference rules and proceed with the I'll show them the grant of the motion for consideration. As mentioned earlier, this was the SBAC resolution number 2 for granting the motion for reconsideration filed by AP Printing and Consolidated Paper. As you can see that. Yan. So they have been declared eligible to participate in the bidding, hence why we are proceeding with opening the financial component envelopes. So again, we will go, the opening of the financial component envelopes will go by their order of submission. So for purposes of these proceedings, we will first open AP Printing before proceeding with Consolidated Paper. And considering both bidders place their bids for 2 lots, so we will go with opening lot 1 first and then proceed with the opening of lot 2. Secretary, and present the financial component envelope for AP Printing. With the permission of the chair, we would like to ask the bidder to confirm if this is same submission, their submission.
Representative of the bidder kindly approach the folder and make a visual inspection and make a confirmation whether it is still sealed, properly sealed.
I attest that it's are submitted not on the properly.
Intact po ba yung ano yan? Yung integrity po hindi po na-violate?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sin.
Proceed.
After having the confirmation from the bidder, Secretary, can you proceed with opening the financial component envelope of AP Print and state the contents there.
Upon opening, it contains two envelopes, which are both properly marked and sealed. One for lot 1 and another for lot 2.
Kindly set aside the envelope for lot 2 and we'll proceed with opening the envelope for lot 1.
Upon opening the financial component envelope for lot 1, it contains one original and 3 copies, all of which are properly marked and sealed.
Kindly open them and proceed to distribute as follows. The original to the SBAC, the first copy to the Secretariat, second copy to the end user, and the third copy to the observers. So, sorry, I have to improvise. So, kindly flash the bid form of AP Print. Under paragraph C of the bid form, the total price of the bid of AP Printing is 619,693 pesos and 20 centavos. This is within the ABC of the project, which is 6,639,570 pesos. Second page. And the second page of the bid form, you can see that it is signed by Ms. Juliet Villena, Sales Manager, Authorized Representative of AP Printing and Packaging Corporation. You're now flashing on the screen the price schedule submitted by AP Printing under column 9. For item 1, CF number 11, minutes of voting and counting of votes, the total price per unit is 1 peso and 60 centavos for a total price of 354,110 pesos and 40 centavos. And for item number 2 under lot 1, CF number 27E, 27F, and 27G, official receipt of election returns, the total price per unit under column 9 is 1 peso and 20 centavos for a total price of 265,582 pesos and 80 centavos. The grand total for lot 1 is 619,693 pesos and 20 centavos. Again, at the bottom of the price schedule form, we can see that it is signed by Ms. Juliet Villena. Secretary, can you provide this document to the TWG for the evaluation of the financial? Next, we will proceed with opening the financial component envelope of Consolidated Paper Products Incorporated. Again, Mr. Chair, with your permission, we'd like to ask the bidder to approach the front and confirm that the submitted financial and component envelope is the one and the same as submitted last opening of.
Sir, this is our financial component that is submitted.
Can you make a visual inspection whether
Yes.
okay. Yung integrity ng submission, hindi siya na-violate, hindi siya mabuti.
Yes.
Secretary,
With confirmation from the bidder, you will proceed with opening the financial component envelope of Consolidated Paper Products. Kindly open them and state the contents there.
Upon opening, it contains 2 envelopes. Both are properly marked and sealed. One for lot 1 and another for lot 2.
Kindly set aside the envelope for lot 2, and proceed with opening the envelope for lot 1 and state the contents.
Upon opening the envelope for lot 1, it contains 1 original and 3 copies, all of which are properly marked and sealed.
Kindly open them and distribute as follows: the original to the SBAC, the first copy to the Secretariat, second copy to the end users, and the third copy to observers. They are now flashing the bid form from Consolidated Paper Products. So, under paragraph C thereof, we can see that the total price of their bid is 2,213,190 pesos. Again, this is within the approved budget of the contract. On page 2 thereof, you can see that it is signed by Ms. Imelda Aldea, Account Executive of Consolidated Paper Products Incorporated. Now flashing the price schedule for goods as submitted by Consolidated Paper. For item number 1, under lot 1, you have CF number 11. The total price per unit is 6 pesos for a subtotal of 1,327,914 pesos. And for item number 2, CF number 37E, 37F, and 37G, the price per unit is 4 pesos for a subtotal of 885,276 pesos for a grand total of 2,213,190 pesos as their bid for lot 1. Again, this price schedule is signed by Ms. Imelda Aldea, the authorized representative for Consolidated Paper. Secretary, kindly provide this document to the DWG for financial evaluation. With the permission of the chair, we will proceed with the opening of lot 2 while they're preparing the proceed. So for proceeding to lot 2, we are now going to open the financial component envelope from AP Printing and Packaging. Secretary, can you confirm if the same is properly marked and sealed before opening the same?
The envelope appears to be properly marked and sealed.
Proceed with opening and state the contents there.
Upon opening the envelope or lot of AP printing, it contains one original and 3 copies, all of which are properly marked and sealed.
Secretary, kindly proceed with opening and provide the copies as follows. The original to the SBAC, first copy to Secretariat, second copy to the end user, and third copy to observers. And now flashing on the screen, the bid form for lot 2 of AP printing. Under paragraph C, you can see that the total price of their bid is 2,102,530 pesos and 50 centavos. This is within the approved budget of the contract of 22,131,900 pesos. On the second page, you can see that it is signed by Ms. Juliet Villena, AP Printing and Packaging, Sales Manager Authorized Representative of AP Printing and Packaging Corporation. Next, we are flashing the price schedule for goods. So under 2, item 1, CF number 13, certificate of goods. The total price per unit is 40 centavos for a total of 1,770,552 pesos. And for item number 2, CF number 14, certificate of receipt of official ballots, other forms, and supplies by the Electoral Board. The total price per unit is 50 centavos for a subtotal of 331,978 pesos and 50 centavos, giving a grand total of 2,102,530 pesos and 50 centavos for their bid submission. Again, this price schedule for goods is signed by Ms. Juliet Villen. I provide this document to the PWG for the evaluation of the financial documents. Next, we will be opening the bid submission for lot 2 of consolidated paper products. Secretary, can you confirm that the same is properly marked and sealed before opening the same?
It appears that the envelope is properly marked and sealed.
Proceed with opening and state the contents there.
Upon opening the financial component envelope for lot 2 of Consolidated Paper Products Incorporated, it contains one original and 3 copies, all of which are properly marked and sealed.
Proceed with opening the envelopes and distribute the copies as follows. The original to the SBAC, first copy to the Secretariat, second copy to the end users, and the third copy to the observers. Now flashing on the screen is the bid forms submitted by Consolidated Paper. Wala. So, yeah. Apologies for the technical difficulties. So now flashing paragraph C. Yes. So you can see the total price of the bid. Total price of the bid is 9,738,036 pesos. You can see at the following page. Again, this is within the ABC of the contract. The next page, you can see that it is signed by Ms. Imelda Aldea, Account Executive of Consolidated Paper Products. Next, we'll be flashing the price schedule of goods. For item number 1 of lot 2, CF number 13, the total price per unit is 1 peso and 75 centavos for a subtotal of 7,746,165 pesos. While for item 2, CF number 14, the price per unit is 3 pesos for a subtotal of 1,991,871 pesos. For a grand total of 9,738,036 pesos. Yung signature. At the bottom of the price schedule for goods, you can see that it is signed by Ms. Imelda Aldea, Authorized Representative for Consolidated Paper Products. That is all, Mr. Chair. Give the document to the DWG for their financial value. Mr. Farrell. Mr. Chair, the PWD head has informed me that they have finished with their evaluation the financial component submissions of the two bidders.
Morning, Mr. Chair.
Morning.
Mr. Chair, after computing and validating the financial documents of the bidders for lot 1, we find Consolidated Paper Product Incorporated in order, while for AP Printing, we find after computing their financial documents, for CF11, we found the computed value to be 1.35 pesos, and with a total price of 298,780.65. While for CF number 27E, 27F, and 27G, the computed value will be 1.15 pesos, with total price of 254,516.85. And the total price should be 553,297.50. Mr. Chair, there's a difference of 66,395.70 in the computation. Total. 553,297.50. The difference between your computation and the TW computation is 66,395.70. That's the difference, Mr. Chair. For lot 2, Mr. Chair, the TWG finds the computation of consolidated paper in order, while for AP printing, for item 2, Mr. Chair, there is a difference between the computation in the item CF number 14. The total unit price should be 0.41, and the total price should be 272,222.37, and the total price should be 2,042,224.37. There's a difference of 59,756.13. That's all, Mr. Chair.
With respect to the one that is complete, kindly submit it before us for our evaluation. And with respect to the one with computation, kindly flash to the screen the discrepancy, and can we have the representative of the subject bidder? Ma'am, sa lot 1, ma'am, meron pong nakitang discrepancy ang TWG. Ano po comment niyo dyan? Tama po ba yung... Unang-una po, yan po ba yung sinabit niyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ano po? Ano po yung yes doon?
Tama po yung computation.
TWG. Okay po. 1.25. Thank you, ma'am. Maaari bang malaman na lang dito bakit nagkamali kayo dyan ng competition? Oo.
Sir, type po yan. Kapag ingat mo kasi 1.21.
Dahil kaya po. Doon po, Secretary, dun sa lot 2. Man, there appears a discrepancy din doon sa column. Ano ba? Mag-discrepancy rin po, ma'am. Unang-una po, sorry yan. Yan po ba yung document na sinabit nyo? Papapas confirmation. Tingnan niyo po yung mga figure po. There appears discrepancy based sa computation ng aming TWG. Pwede niyo po i-check kung ano. Medyo nung ganun bakit kasama nito animal.
Nasa sa task po dun sa input po naman value.
Okay. Yung dalawang lots na yan na nabit ko na witness. So, ano gusto mo kung iyan natin yung sa PWD o sa inyo? Safety ma'am. PWD lang. Zero. Ay, hindi na. So, so after due deliberations, the committee declares the following with respect to the financial bid submitted by the consolidated paper products. It appears that it is complete and accurate. Now, with respect to the AP Printing and Packaging Incorporated, we accept the computed value and hereby declares that the financial bid submitted by AP Printing and Packaging Incorporated is also complete and accurate. The Secretary kindly prepare the abstract of bids.
Mr. Chair, so we are ready to present the abstract of bids as evaluated and updated.
The abstract of bids include the previous. Okay.
I'll just go over everything na po since nagkaroon ng movements regarding sa ranking nila. So presenting the abstract of bids as evaluated and updated per SBAC Resolution number 2 dated June 18, 2026. So we will now be including the bid submissions of AP Printing and Consolidated Paper Incorporated. So for lot 1, the total ABC of the contract is 6,639,570 pesos. So for item number 1 under lot 1, CF number 11. The ABC is 3 million. The quantity is 231,319 sets at an ABC per unit of 15 pesos for a subtotal of 3,319,785 pesos. And the same goes for item number 2 under lot 1, 231,319 sets. ABC per unit is 15 pesos for a subtotal of 3,319,785 pesos. So going over all the eligible bid submissions, so we have from Heritage Printing Press, their bid is 5,944,628 pesos and 34 centavos. For EasyTech Commercial, their bid submission is 852,078 pesos and 15 centavos. For Mine Printing, their bid submission was 4,802,622 pesos and 30 centavos. For AP Printing and Packaging, their bid submission is 553,297 pesos and 50 centavos. For Consolidated Paper Products, their bid submission is 2,213,190 pesos. And for Perfect Solution Trading, their bid submission was 3,319,785 pesos. So going over all the eligible bids, the AP Printing and Packaging with their bid of 553,297 pesos and 50 centavos is the new lowest calculated bid. And Consolidated Paper Products is the third lowest calculated bid. For lot 2, so again, this is for CF number 13, Certificate of Votes. Quantity is 4,426,380 pieces at an ABC per unit of 4 pesos and 10 centavos for a subtotal of ABC of 18,148,158 pesos. For item number 2, we have CF number 14, Certificate of Receipt of Official Ballots, Other Forms, and Supplies by the Electoral Board. Its quantity is 663,957 pieces at ABC per unit of 6 pesos per unit for a subtotal of 3,983,742 pesos for a total ABC of 22,131,900 pesos. Going over all the eligible bids, we have from Heritage Printing Press, their bid was 19,810,263 pesos and 69 centavos. For AP Printing and Packaging, their bid is 2,042,774 pesos and 37 centavos. And for Consolidated Paper Products, we have their bid was 9,738,036 pesos. So having presented all the bids for lot 2, the new lowest calculated bid for this lot is that of AP Printing and Packaging Incorporated, amounting to 2,042,774 pesos and 37 centavos. And Consolidated Paper Products is declared the second LCD. With that po, we will start preparing the notices.
When you're making notices, you can also make any announcement about the ballot activity.
So, for some announcement, again, for post-qualification for the lowest calculated bid, it shall commence immediately. Members of the SBAC SKE, staff and personnel, secretariat, DWG, as well as observers are prohibited from making or accepting any communication with any bidder regarding the evaluation of the bids until the issuance of the NOA. Questions regarding the decision of the SBAC may be made by filing a request for reconsideration within 3 calendar days upon receipt of the written notice or upon verbal notification from the SBAC. SBAC shall decide on the request within 7 calendar days from receipt thereof. All motions for reconsideration shall be addressed to SBAC PSKE Chairperson Director Bagin at the provided email addresses below. So for some additional announcements, we have the next BSKE, SBAC BSKE activity is on Tuesday, opening of bids for the corrugated boxes with paddy. The venue is Training Room 3, 10 a.m. at the 4th floor of Palacio del Gobierno. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's all po.
So yun po ang opening bids ng Comelec na isinasagawa sa pamagitan ng kanilang Special Bids and Awards Committee. Ito po ay bidding para sa nalalapit na barangay at SK election sa November 2, 2026. So tuloy na po yan. So yan lang muna ang ating update. Pasensya na sa background kasi may nagtatrabaho sa gilid. This is your Cap John Official. Bye bye and God bless us all.